Hi everyone! For today's video, we're going to do a mukbang from Shakey's dahil ipopromote natin ang bago nilang promo today. At malay nyo, manalo tayo ng 50,000 pesos! Sige, buksan ko muna lahat ng order ko. This is worth around 1,100 at nakamura pa ako dahil meron akong Shakey's card. And umorder ako mula sa Shakey's app. So, there you go. This is just 1,013 free delivery from Super App. I'm gonna try the challenge from Shakey's since I am a pizza girl and these are all my favorites. Pero syempre, dahil ganun muna tayo, simula na ako din para maturuan kayo kung paano makabuka. Since I am a girl who really tries everything for less spending, so ito na yung isa sa mga sekreto ko kung bakit ako nakakakain ng masarap pero nakakatipid. Huwag kayong mag-alala, hindi ko yung uubusin lahat. So, that will be for my snack, lunch, and snack, and then at dinner. At kung may matira pa, that will be my breakfast for tomorrow. So, let's start with this one. So, sa Super App, we have this super bunch of lunch. We're going to order salad separately. That is around 150 pesos. And then, this is a chicken soup. So, that's around 135. But if you're going to order it all together, it's just amounting to 300 plus. So, mas makakatipid kayo kapag super bunch of lunch ang o-orderin nyo. Also, nag-order ako sa app ng worth 1,000. So, this one is free. Yes, that's free. Maniwala kayo, it's really free. Merong voucher code doon and then you just have to use that voucher sa Super App nila kapag meron kayong super card. So, this one naman, this is what I ordered. Ito. And that one is free din. So, I have two free here. Two freebies. You just have to order this one with a Coke. Again, this two with a Coke. So, you order this, you buy a Coke, and the pizza is free. This pizza is free. Meron kayong choices sa flavor ng pizza and also sa pizza na flavor na gusto nyo maging free. So, you can have these two together or ako kasi pinili ko magkaibang flavor. And, ito, ayan, yan yung mga add-ons. Pero this is my favorite. And buti na lang, kaka-order ko sa Shakey's. Binibigyan naman nila sa akin ng free kasi usually may bayad to. Alam ko yung extra sauce is around, dipping sauce is around 50 pesos. And what's good is, they have the tissue, and then we have the spicy ketchup and the ketchup. And we also have spoon and fork. And since this is my first time trying this one, I would like to, ask Shakey's Batangas, baka naman may pa-milk tea kayo yung R&B. Kasi we have this partner stores, sister stores, wherein we have also yung peri-peri, nakaka-order ako doon, and then this one. Pero the R&B, we don't have that here, pero I'm a milk tea girl, so yeah. Okay, so let's try the mukbang, and I'm going to answer some questions while eating. So, I already have here questions with me. So, tara. Tadan! So, we're gonna start with a Shakey's special. Ito yung free nila. And I like eating this kapag bagong luto kasi super sarap niya. Like, look at that. Look at the toppings. So, if you are craving for bell pepper, Shakey's talaga. Look at the crust. It's so thin. I tried buying pizzas from different store here in Batangas City. Pero yung iba, kung hindi siya matabang, masyadong makapal, and I don't like that. But Shakey's, I'm a Shakey's girl. As I've told you, I like eating this with the ranch dressing. Sorry, I'm talking in my mouth. At binigyan tayo cheese ng dalawa. I know na kung bakit dalawa. No, wala pala. Hindi pala ako umorder ng Mojo's kasi I have bunch of lunch. Ito siya. Maniwala kayo, this is the perfect combination. Gawin niyo muna, tapos saka kayo magsabi sa akin na tama ako. So, instead of me dining sa Shakey's, since pre-deliver naman sila at mas nakakatipid ako sa app, I'd rather stay here para wala akong dala-dala pa uwi. So, this is good. This is so nice. Kasi yung mga in-order ko ngayon, hindi din naman sila madaling mapanis. Uunahin ko yung pasta para sa life. Now I know it's hard. It's hard pala to do mukbang and to keep on speaking. So, kudos sa mga vloggers na group on doing that kasi for table manners, diba, you're not allowed to speak when you're eating. Siguro it's your pet peeve where I don't really eat this part kasi it's all bread. So sorry. I'm not wasting food, it's just that I'm not a bread girl. So yeah. So we're done with the first flavor. So we're gonna try beef and onion. Okay, for the beef and onion, gonna try also the garlic ranch dip. Oh, it's really good. Lapit na ako maglahi. It's just that the acidity of the garlic ranch, it's just so good. It comes dito sa flavor well. You know what? The first time I discovered this dip is actually because of the Shakey's Protein Supreme. So, lahat siya meat. So, my two favorites really are Protein Supreme and Pizza Bianca. Pero my perspective changed kasi Shakey's Special and Manager's Choice, they have all the flavors. So, if you're craving for just one taste, that's the perfect pizza for you. And then we have pepperoni. Nag-rolling na yung coke. So, pepperoni pizza. Honest review, I like the pepperoni pizza for Shakey's, from Shakey's, pero it's just that the pizza is not the same sa poster. So, I'm thinking na punong-puno siya ng pepperoni. This one looks like Protein Supreme. Wala lang yung ham and then the beef. Almost the same taste nila. Sarap. Do you find it weird pag nasasaw sa sauce? Kaya tayo tumataba eh. Marami tayong pambili ng pagkain. I just finished this up. Pa ako tapos tumikim sa lahat pero Shakey's craving satisfied. And also shoutout to Mandiana. Pag may event kami, may kailangan ako, ang bilis siyang lapitan. So the manager of Shakey's Batangas City Caloocan branch. Shoutout! Thank you! Tapos na. So, we're gonna open here. Wala mo na kung i-open yung tissue. Yeah. So, we need one. I don't usually use the ketchup na kasi the flavor is good. Okay. Will you find it weird kung hindi ako kumakain masyado ng tinapay? And what I do is, kasi I have braces. So instead of eating this, usually what I do is, I taste it one by one. Maybe it's weird, but I really wanna dig into the taste. What's this one? I can taste the dressing here. Yeah, that's it. And you're gonna see here the cheese. I really want to check it out if it's American cheese. No. I want to discover what's inside. Wala lang. I find it weird. And also for the patty, I will not bite it. I'm gonna take some and then I'm gonna taste it. That's how I judge burger patty. I'm going to taste the patty. If it's real beef, I don't know. You will know kung masarap ang patty. Yeah. And also, the patty is good. So, baliktarin ko siya. Kasi I will taste naman ito. I want to see the freshness of the vegetable. I do this usually if it's my first time. Kasi I want to check out what I'm eating. I think that's the last one. So I'm gonna put it back. And then that's the only time I'm going to finish the whole burger. Pero hindi ko kinakain yung isang side ng bread. Weird, diba? So what I'm going to finish is this one. I'm not going to eat. Ito lang kakainin ko. Saka ako sa kakagat eh. Pag wala ng isang burger. Huwag kayong magtampo. This is not just Shakey's. I even do this in Jollibee. Nag-Jollibee ako last night. Hindi ko rin kinain yung burger. Alam ko nagsasayaw ako ng pagkain. Pero, diba? Control what you eat. Nah, that's what a burger is. This burger is 199 pesos. It's so worth it. Look at that patty. It's so makapal. It's not the typical burger na maliit. This one, abot siya hanggang sa circumference. Circumference ng tinapay. Makapal siya. And it's juicy. And you know na bagong luto siya. Hindi siya frozen beef lang. Oh, ba? Tama? Ang kapal na, diba? So fresh. So fresh. The ingredients so fresh. Mom Cha approves. Okay. So now we're gonna try naman ang sa bunch of lunch. So we're gonna open this first. Tingnan natin kung ito yung utensils na hinahanap ko. Yes, it is. Hello! So, patanggalin na natin. We're gonna pour ketchup, tissue, tissue. Okay. Papakita ko sa inyo yung laman. Alam. Bunch of lunch, guys. So, we're gonna start off with so, pag bunch of lunch talaga, ang hinahanap ko ay soup. Ayan, soup. There's a lot of soup in Shakey's. I tried all of the flavor, maniwala kayo. Kasi, when I was in my hometown sa province, Iriga City, shout out Iriga City Shakey's. Ayun. So, kapag nag-celebrate kami na hindi ganun katao, Shakey's talaga ang punta namin. So, I really have to try the soup. And I want to see which one is the best. And then, yun parati ako orderin ko. That's why. I even do that kapag sa mga chicken wings. I really want to try the flavor. So, kung pwede sana tikman ko muna lahat ng flavors. This one is good. Oh. This is chicken and corn. It's good kasi the sweetness of the corn is there and you have the protein. Example kasi, it's just a squash soup. You have the glow food there because of the squash, where you don't have the protein, which is the meat. That's why I prefer a soup with vegetable and protein on it. And then this one, it's salad. And that's fresh cucumber. And syempre, look at that rum. It's so healthy. Diba? So, super tipid na sa super bunch of lunch compared sa individual order. Okay. I think this is the dressing. Yeah. Oh. Not at all. So, lagay natin yung dressing. So, kung uubusin ko yung mga food na to, una ko kakainin is the mojo. And then the salad, para yung crispiness niya still locked in. Yung pizza, pwede kong ipag-dinner mamaya. Sila yung mag-iwan. It can last, based on my experience, since si Shakey's malinis yung pagawaan niya sa food, sa loob. Hindi agad nasisira yung food. So, that is my one pamantayan of food kapag umu-order ako ulit. Kapag mabilis siyang mapanis, masira, nagkakaroon agad ng mga fungi, yun, tumutubo agad sila. That means yung food preparation is not good. So, it's this one. Shoutout pala sa nagko-comment sa akin na hindi man lang ako nag-aayos. Like, I just wanna be myself right now. It's freaking Saturday. So, I don't wanna groom myself. I just wanna be me. It's so different from my workplace. I have to be pretty all the time. Oh. The dressing. It's honey mustard. That's one good thing pa pala about sa salad ng Shakey's. You can choose what dressing you want to pair it with. Okay, we're down to, kinakain ko din ng una ang spaghetti kasi it's pasta. So, madali siyang masira. No, it's not Shakey's. It's all the pasta out there because of the tomato. Ganun yun. Lahat ng may kamatis, madaling mapanis. Okay, you should listen to your TLE teachers of cooking class. It's good. Alam mo na ang lasa niya ay herbs. It's not a typical spaghetti. Basta, alam mo, when you keep on dining, eating out with your friends, or eating alone, you will exactly know kapag ano ang lasa ng pagkain. At marami pa yan. So, kapag tayo nag-question and answer portion, masarap kasi guys kain ng pagkain kapag mainit pa. So, excuse me. And yes, I do this. Kailangan akong bata. Okay, now, time for the chicken. Ito yung sauce niya. Ah, sorry! Sorry! Shakey's refill naman ako. This is not a paid ad pala. I'm just sharing you my life. Wala lang. Okay, ito ang Mojo's. So, if I'm thinking about French fries, Mojo's. Second is the truffle fries. You can choose from classic or spice Mojo's. O, ito yung classic. Kasi yung spice medyo maanghang. Pero hindi naman siya ganun kaanghang. It's just like, I don't like the spiced one. Kasi ginaganahan akong kumain. Also, kapag spiced siya, pwedeng sumakit yung tiyan ko. So, Mojo's are best consumed kapag sila ay bagong luto. Kasi kapag hindi, I hoarded Mojo's before. Gano'n ako katakot sa Mojo's. I hoarded one box. Akala ko, masarap pa siya pagbalik ko. Ah, masarap pa din naman siya. Kaya lang problema, titigas kasi. At last naman siyang titigas kapag pinito mo ulit or may microwave mo. So, the best option is, eat the Mojo's right away. Okay. Next one is the chicken. Tatanggalin natin ang balat. Mangunsumi kayo, bahala kayo dyan. Alam nyo, mga hindi pumapayat, ganito kasi yun. Kinakain mo kasi yung chicken skin. That is carbs, calories, turned to fats. Yan. Tapos tatanggalin natin. Pero para mainis kayo, kakainin ko siya. Diba? Ang lukot daw. Alam mo, bagong luto. Dahil, yan, lumalabas pa ang mantika. And I like this part ng chicken specifically. Yan. Meron ako mga friends, ayaw nila sa Shakey's kasi sabi nila maalat daw ang manok. On my experience, hindi naman all the time. Ako lang. Pero there are times na dry talaga siya. Like overcooked. Sa akin okay lang. Very good. There's meron tayong group meal ng chicken na 5 pieces, 3 pieces, 7 pieces. Alam ko na yung menu ng Shakey's. Tapos, meron yung kayang kasawang Mojo's. Nag-hoard din ako nun before. So, sobrang sarap ng chicken na lang. Tumitigas din yung chicken. I don't know why, bakit tumitigas agad agad. Pero, parang kasi sa akin, consume it talaga after opening. Hindi naman sa sobrang tigas. Siguro preferred ko lang yung malalambot kasi nga naka-brace ako. Natakot na ba kayo? If you know my place and you're just around here, I'm just near. Pwede kayo makikain dito. Ano, inubos ko na yung manok. Ang sarap na talaga. Aniin. Simula na ako magligpit. Alam mo naman eh. Hindi kakain pa ako. Teka lang. Kalma. Kalma tayo. Okay. So, ang natira na lang sa akin ay konting spaghetti, konting chicken. Maya-maya. I feel like I'm so full na. Tapos, meron pa tayong dalawa. Hindi ko pala kaya ang mukbang. Hindi ko na gagawin ito ulit ha. Ayan. Magaling lang ako sa umpisa. So, ito yung garlic bread. Also good. Tapos, yung sa bunch of lunch nila, ito last na talaga to. Ayan. Meron pa yung pizza. Hawaiian. Yung iba ayaw ng pineapple sa pizza. Ako, I love it. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Yung thick crust. Ito yung thick crust nila. Yan. Alam nyo ba? Yan. 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 Hindi naman siya ganun ka-thick. Pero thick crust kasi siya. And I feel like it's all bread. Kaya hindi ko nakain ng dulo. Ayan. See? Yan yung part hindi ko kakain kasi wala naman siyang topping. Weird no? Okay. So that's it. And you forgot pala this one. Yung crunch, potato strings crunch. Malagay sa salad. Nakalimutan ko na. Pero meron din silang pepperoni crunch, nalagay din sa pepperoni. Okay, that's it. Na-enjoy ba kayo? Parang ako lang na-enjoy sa segment na to. Yun, nagkaroon tayo ng time at maingay sa kabila dahil may pinapagawa sila sa bahay nila. Pero we don't care. We just eat. It's weekend. We enjoy life. Yeah. Thank you so much for eating with me and hindi naman natuloy yung question and answer portion natin. Maybe we can do it next time. Thank you guys. May Coke tayo. Pero I'm not a fan of Coke. Sinong gusto? Inyo na. Thank you. Bye!